Welcome to SNAutoLuxury, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews, specs, and features of the latest tractors, automobiles, and luxury vehicles. If you are looking for detailed insights on farm equipment, we have got you covered with expert analysis and practical overviews. Today, we take a closer look at the Kubota MX series, a well-balanced lineup of utility tractors designed to handle a wide range of agricultural and commercial tasks. The Kubota MX series stands out with its impressive power, durability, and versatility, making it a great choice for farmers and landowners who need a reliable machine for various applications. One of the key aspects of the Kubota MX series is its engine performance. Equipped with powerful diesel engines, these tractors offer excellent fuel efficiency while delivering substantial horsepower to handle demanding jobs. The engine's smooth operation ensures a comfortable working experience, even during long hours in the field. Whether you are plowing, tilling, or moving heavy loads, the Kubota MX series provides the necessary strength to get the job done efficiently. In terms of transmission, the Kubota MX tractors come with user-friendly options that make operation simple and convenient. The models typically offer both gear-driven and hydrostatic transmission systems, catering to different user preferences. The hydrostatic transmission, in particular, allows for seamless speed adjustments, making it ideal for tasks that require precision and maneuverability. This feature enhances productivity by reducing operator fatigue and allowing for smoother control in tight spaces. Another highlight of the Kubota MX series is its hydraulic system, which is designed for optimal lifting capacity and responsiveness. The tractors are equipped with a strong 3-point hitch system, allowing users to attach a variety of implements such as mowers, loaders, and tillers. This versatility makes the Kubota MX series a valuable investment for those who require multifunctional equipment for different types of farm work. The hydraulic power steering also ensures effortless handling, which is especially beneficial when operating on uneven terrain or during extended work sessions. Comfort and convenience are also prioritized in the Kubota MX series. The spacious operator platform provides ample legroom, while the ergonomic design of the controls ensures easy access and smooth operation. Many models come with a deluxe seat that reduces vibrations and enhances comfort, allowing operators to work longer without unnecessary strain. Additionally, the visibility from the driver's seat is excellent, providing a clear view of the surroundings and improving overall safety during operation. When it comes to durability, the Kubota MX tractors are built to last. The sturdy frame and high-quality components ensure longevity, even under heavy workloads. Regular maintenance is straightforward, with easily accessible service points that make routine checks and servicing hassle-free. Kubota's reputation for reliability is well reflected in the MX series, making these tractors a dependable choice for long-term use. Another advantage of the Kubota MX series is its fuel efficiency. These tractors are engineered to deliver maximum power while consuming minimal fuel, reducing operating costs over time. This feature is particularly beneficial for those managing large properties or engaging in continuous farming operations, where fuel expenses can be a significant concern. For those considering attachments and accessories, the Kubota MX series is highly adaptable. Whether you need a front-end loader, a rotary cutter, or a backhoe, these tractors can be equipped with a variety of implements to enhance their functionality. The ease of attachment and detachment makes it simple to switch between tasks, adding to the overall efficiency of farm operations. If you are looking for a reliable, powerful, and versatile tractor, the Kubota MX series is definitely worth considering. Its combination of strong performance, user-friendly features, and long-term durability makes it a solid investment for any agricultural or commercial application. Whether you are an experienced farmer or just starting out, these tractors offer the right balance of power and convenience to meet your needs. For more detailed reviews, comparisons, and expert insights on farm equipment, automobiles, and luxury vehicles, be sure to subscribe to SNAutoLuxury. Stay updated with the latest videos and never miss out on important information that can help you make the best purchasing decisions.